Ford F-150 Lightning sales up over 100% in Q2 2023. Ford reported that its F-150 Lightning sales were up over 100% in the second quarter. The legacy automaker stated EV sales have improved compared to Q2 2022. Ford reported that F-150 Lightning sales were up 119% in the second quarter compared to Q2 2022. Ford Lightning sales increased 4% compared to Q1 2023. The American carmaker noted that F-150 Lightning sales continue to attract new customers to the brand, 50% of which were new to Ford. Ford offers at least 4 F-150 Lightning variants: the Pro version, the XLT, the Lariat, and the Platinum. Select Lightning pickup trucks are eligible for the Inflation Reduction Act's electric vehicle EV incentives. The starting price of each variant is listed below. 2023 F-150 Lightning Pro $59,974. 2023 F-150 Lightning XLT $64,474. 2023 F-150 Lightning Lariat $76,974. 2023 F-150 Lightning Platinum $98,074. Besides F-150 Lightning sales, Ford Mustang Mach-E sales also performed well in Q2 2023. The legacy automaker reported that Mustang Mach-E sales increased 110% in June. Ford achieved both best-selling brand and truck for 6 consecutive months this year on the strength of F-Series vans, our new escape. An F-150 Lightning, said Andrew Frick, Vice President of Sales Distribution and Trucks. Our EV sales continue to grow. Improved Mustang Mach-E inventory flow began to hit at the end of Q2 following the retooling of our plant earlier this year, which helped Mustang Mach-E sales climb 110% in June. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Marano at teslaupdate.